Are you looking to generate high-paying cleaning contracts without wasting tens of thousands of dollars on marketing? Imagine if you could get your hands on a proven system that has been generating 4, 5, and even 6-figure commercial, industrial, residential, and retail cleaning contracts on complete autopilot. What would that do for your business? For over a decade, we've been helping cleaning businesses just like yours achieve incredible growth using our incredible lead quote close systems. It's the exact systems we've used to secure countless contracts, allowing our clients to scale their businesses exponentially. And now, it's your turn. Our LQC systems are not just about landing contracts. It's about creating a steady, predictable pipeline of business that eliminates the need for costly marketing efforts. And with our advanced system, you can actually get paid to generate cleaning contracts. Think about that for a second. Someone is going to pay you to market your cleaning business. This would be a huge game changer for you, as it means more profit, less stress, and the freedom to focus on what you do best: running your business. Our systems are 100% automated and completely hands-off, and tailored to fit businesses of any size. Whether you're just starting or looking to expand, we have the systems to help you achieve your goals. But don't just take our word for it. You will also hear from some of our clients who have transformed their businesses using our systems. They've saved thousands in marketing, secured life-changing contracts, and are now running thriving businesses. Don't miss this opportunity to revolutionize your cleaning business. Click the link below to book a Zoom meeting with our team, where we will show you our systems in action. Success is just one step away. Take action now and let us help you secure the contracts that will transform your business.